Hello everyone, welcome to Gus Two Wheeling channel. How's everybody doing? I'm out here in the garage today. It happened. I went ahead and finally bought the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Was at Costco with the wife last weekend. We were going through the electronics section and walking there on the end aisle, and I saw they had the GoPro Hero 7 Black for sale, and they had it at a really good price. Here lately, there've been a lot of sales here lately for this camera. Like they'll have $50 off, or they'll have $50 off in a SD card, or they have $100 off trade in your old GoPro camera, or I think any action camera. They'll give you $100 towards a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I went ahead and bought it, and being Costco, they had these accessories included. They had you got this called the handler. It's a floating hand grip. So I guess if you're on the water and I don't see how it could slip off your hand. It's all a real cushion. Plus you got this strap to put around your wrist, but in case you drop it in the water, it'll float for you. You get the head strap with the quick clip, so you can put it on your head, mount the camera on your head. Comes with the frame, which is nice, because the camera that I'm recording now and have done all my other videos with, it's the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, and I'm a little behind a few generations. But what I like about this camera is I really like the screen in the back. It's a touch screen to change your settings, so you can see what you're recording now. That's really nice. It's got you can play back whatever you record, which is nice, because there have been times with my older camera, I've gone out motovlogging, whatever, I come home and for some reason, I go to upload the file. For some reason, I don't have, I didn't have sound, or didn't come out, or whatever. So that's nice, where you can check it wherever you're at, to make sure everything came out good. That's really nice. You can shoot with set it for 4K, but I got it at 1080p, 60 frames per second with super view, and I've gone out and shot a couple clips. I have not gotten the external mic adapter that you're required to have with the GoPro Hero 7, and I think that started like with the GoPro Hero 5, where you have to have that external mic adapter. So Costco didn't have it, of course, over there, because they'll sell the camera or nothing else. So I've gone to Best Buy. They were out. Amazon, they're temporarily out of stock, so I'm waiting until one of those guys gets it so I can go pick it up and hook up the audio and stuff. But here's a couple clips. Got one, went out with it on the Honda CRF 250L, so there's no voice audio, just little engine sound and some wind noise. But got that clip, and also got a quick clip of our dog Izzy, and check it out real quick.
hi, Bambies.
Ooh. Ooh. Say hi, Izzy. Say hi to all the YouTube people watching. Cool. Yeah, this is really good with the screen where you can see what you're filming. But yeah, pretty cool. Really like this. I like it's got like a rubberized feel too, you know, so when you're holding it you got a good grip on it. Really good. And I heard that this lens cover now is, you know, in case something comes up, hits it, breaks it, you can replace it. That's nice. They've really come a long way. Got it at Costco. It was you know, everyone else was $50 off at $3.50. At Costco I got it for $3.39 and some change. And you also got these accessories. Like I said, it came with the head strap, the float, the handler. Came with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. Of course, you got the rechargeable battery and the frame, and a flat mount and a curved mount. But yeah, got all that. I told a friend of mine at work about it, and he went there a couple days ago, and he goes, I couldn't find them, so I asked an employee there. They were sold out, so they went quick. Yeah, but I am looking forward to using this camera, and it's got the image stabilization, what they call like hyper smooth. So, like say if you're walking around the camera, it's not all shaky and stuff. So that'll be good. And then when I'm motovlogging, it's supposed to be a little smoother. So real excited. So hopefully this works out real good. But long overdue to upgrade my camera. But the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, I mean, I've had it for a few years, and it's worked pretty good. But definitely going with the Hero 7. It's going to be much more improvements. The technology's really come a long way. And I'm going to bet they've been coming out with a camera like the last 3 years. GoPro Hero 3, GoPro Hero 5, excuse me, Hero 6. And then last year, all of a sudden they came out with the 7, which caught me off guard. It's like, wow, another new camera? And I'm wondering, since they're having these sales real frequent, like every week, if they're not trying to sell these out, and maybe there's a GoPro Hero 8 on the horizon. So we'll have to see this fall, this Christmas holiday shopping season, say if they come out with a Hero 8. But I don't know, it's been going on sale a lot here lately. So went ahead and did it, and hopefully I think I'll really like it. I like that screen in the back, touch screen, and you can change your settings and stuff, you know. Like I said, it's on 1080p, 60 frames per second, super view, low light, automatic, got the stabilization on auto. But real cool, real cool. All right, well, hope y'all are doing good. It is starting to warm up here in Virginia, finally. We're starting to get some decent weather. Hasn't been raining so much like it did last year. So hopefully that will continue, so I can get out there and do some more riding, some motovlogging, and all that. But thanks again for watching. Please click like on the video, post any comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Y'all take care, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye now.